Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's start Hack. Ready to dive into the wild world of Hunting Clash and grab that shiny gold? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to sign up, get started, and collect free gold like a pro. Let's jump in. Let's type website right here, guys. And you land on to the login page. Let's type in username from the game. Mine is Liza_08. I'm on an Android phone at the moment, so I'll select Android. Then select the gold amount. We will get it according to the network traffic. Once your username is found, the gold amount starts generating to your account successfully. If there is high traffic, the site will ask you to verify if you are human. Click on Verify. According to your country, you will be given different verification tasks. Complete one task till the end. From now on, your Hunting Clash game account will start receiving automatic gold deposits. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you and good luck.